Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with an update to this file. As you requested that we have to have a list of the unique categories through which we want to calculate the monthly totals for against each category. So I have built some setup and I've used some advanced formula. So please let me know if you are using Office 365 or not. If you are using an older version, I need to see something else. The other thing is that do confirm that if you are using Windows or Mac. If you are using Mac, not maybe not all the solution will work on your PC. So I need to see about that too. So currently, let me show you the current solution. So there will be two columns which where I'll be matching the category and the month so that we can pull the data accordingly with the matching of these two numbers. I have pasted all the unique list of the category descriptions. So this is basically description column from here. From this column, I have taken all the values which are unique values, not the repeated ones. And I have selected some values against that. So as you can see from this one, I have selected Swiss. You can always take Swiss Air. And this will work accordingly. Similarly for this one, chick FIL. So if I'll take CHICK chick, I am not entering currently. As you can see, currently we do not have any CH word in here. It should be coming after the B. Let me enter. So you can see the chick has been jumped in and we have no values for that. Similarly for this one, maybe you want to use this, copy and paste in here and delete the text which you don't want to repeat. So now this is going to combine anything which is Chipotle, whatever the text is, it's going to check for this text in all the listing on the other tab and match it and mark it accordingly so that we can pull the values against the month as well. So this is the simplest way. So these are all the listing of the descriptions available, and I have added like LYFT in here. And for all of these, we need only one LYFT, and it's going to combine anything which is having a text, any description which is having a text LYFT in it. It's going to get the total out of it. So you have to have select a text which is matching, exactly matching, and which is not available in any of the other text as well. So for example, if LYFT is available in any of these combination in here, it's going to give you a wrong total. So the text should be a unique text so that we can categorize the description. So we can mark, okay, this category of description is something unique which we want to combine monthly. So this is how it's going to create text. Let me add another DD. Maybe let me take this one and tag this much text. So it's taking do dash now, and this list is generated alphabetically. So do dash is here and it doesn't have any value as well. So this is how you can build your own list. If you don't want to see any of these, you can simply delete all. Let me make a copy of it so that if I want to use it again, I'll keep it for the time being on the right side. Clear everything and you will see there is nothing in here. So maybe if you want to see only the descriptions which are having a text Amazon. So here is the total for the Amazons. Similarly, maybe if you want to see for eBay, so here is the total for the eBay and Indeed. So yes, we have the total for the Indeed. So this is how you can build your own text string, and this will work fine. This is going to generate automatically as well. February, March, April, May, June, July, and accordingly the year as well. And this is going to work for each year. If you want to combine more years, it will still work. So this header will be generated automatically. This list is being generated from this yellow column, and this is also a automatic calculation. But I'm using some advanced formula, so please do let me know if you the version of the Office so that we can simplify things accordingly as per your setup. If there are a lot of problems with the Excel, I'll prefer this setup to be converted or shifted to the Google Sheet so that you have better capability and less limitations. So that is it from my side. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.